Nabalik na naman ako. So, kakanta ako ng I Know Nothing About You. So, let's start now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I know nothing could matter. God always something matter to you. I'll take my pride dancing for you. No, I'm not blind, just singing it through. You take my life just for the truth. So, na-finish na ta guys. So, see you again next time. So, comment nyo lang down below ang gusto nyo kakantahin ko na next. Bye-bye!